continue with our new passage which is based on poem 1.1, where the mind is without fear. Now I request everyone to turn to page number 3. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Question A1. Complete this sentence with word or phrases from the poem. Now see textbook page number 3. I will read out the question. Yes. First one. Mind should be, this answer you will get in the first line only. Mind should be without fear. Second, what should come out from, see the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. See the fifth line of the poem. Words should come out from the depth of truth. Third one, world is broken up into, see the third line, fragments. Fourth one, thought and action should be, see the second last line of the poem, it should be ever widening. I guess everybody got the answer in that poem. Now we will write down in our worksheet. Mind should be without fear. Words should come out from the depth of truth. World is broken up into fragments. Thought and action should be ever widening. Now come to question A2. How should be the people be according to the poet? This answer you can write in your own words, according to the poet. But I will help you out over here. The answer is, according to the poet, the people should be truthful, sincere, fearless, and have a high self-esteem. They should abandon all superstitions and instead think logically, expressing their opinions freely and work hard towards perfection. Now come to question A3. Give the rhyme scheme of. As you can see in your textbook, there are no rhyming words in the poem. If there are no rhyme scheme in the poem, then we call it as a free verse. So you will write the answer. The poem is written in free verse without rhyme scheme. With this, we had completed our both the worksheets. Thank you.